How do I get the rough feeling off my car?
Ooh. Wait. Today we have Brian in the shop.
My name is Brian and I'm 22 years old and I have zero detailing experience. I brought in my RAV4 today, so every time I wash it, it still ends up being pretty rough on the paint.
What can we do for you?
Well, I'm trying to figure out how to get off the rough feeling on my car.
Okay, nice. So we could help you out with that. So if I actually grab my hand and I just rub it around the paint, you guys can hear how much contamination that is. And I want you to touch this, all right? Touch this fender right here. It feels rough, right? It doesn't feel like smooth like that's glass. So whenever you do get to this point of state on your detail on your car, if your car sits outside, what you want to do is you want to get into a clay bar. A clay bar is a detailing tool used to remove contaminants from the surface of a car's paint. These contaminants can include things like dirt, grime, tar, and even tiny metal particles that can embed themselves in the paint and cause damage over time. Clay bars come in different grades or levels of stickiness, depending on how much contamination your car needs to be removed. Camouflage clay bars go from light duty to OG to medium duty up to heavy duty. The more contamination on the surface, the heavy duty clay bar you should be using. If you leave the surface unchecked, embedded pollution, fallout, rail dust, brake dust, and even overspray can ruin the shine of your car, causing scratching on the surface, blocking reflective light, and causing the paint to oxidize, tarnish, or even peel. The OG clay bar is like a spa day for your car, gliding over your paintwork, pulling out all the stubborn contamination from the paint. Whenever you do get a clay bar, Brian, it comes with this film. You can remove this film fast and easy. What you want to do is just rip off a small portion. Now, for this piece right here, you actually want to just store it back into its little box. That's why it comes with a box. So now what we'll do, we'll just put this clay bar off to the side, and this little small portion can actually remove all the contamination on top of this.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna pair it up with our clay luber. Old school detailers use soap and water with their clay bars, but found the mixture dissolving their clay bars and leaving bits of it all over the car after being detailed. Clay luber is a non-caustic formula that actually helps extend the life and effectiveness of your clay bar or clay block by using synthetic wetting agents and slick lubricants to create the slickest and least friction possible. Put it on spray mode. I'll go to the area, give it a couple sprays, spray my clay bar, and now I will just go side to side on the hood. Now, every single time I am passing over it, I am making sure it does have some type of lubricant. Okay. You never want to glide this while it's dry, because if you do, you might cause clay marring, and then you'll be more in trouble whenever you have to polish it out.
Okay.
After you're done rubbing it on, you flip it back over. You can put it on top of your spray bottle. You get a clean microfiber towel. And what you always want to do, guys, make sure you remove the tags. Remove the tag. Now that you remove the tag, you're ready to wipe the surface. If you do not remove the tag, you might cause scratches and swirls. So once you're done, just come back to the surface, buff off the residue, and that's how simple and fast and easy it is to clay your car. Now feel this. Feel smooth, right?
Yeah.
Feel this.
Yeah, big difference, yeah.
Now we just finished showing Brian how to clay bar the surface of his car. You look confident? You feel confident?
Feel good.
Well, guess what? It's time for me to go behind the cameras, and it's time for you to finish up this hood.
All right.
All right, I want you to also, I also want you to tell our viewers what you're doing while you're doing, okay?
Okay. All right.
All right, go.
So now, just gotta spray down the surface. Don't wanna scratch it up. That keep spraying more, or if I'm just gonna be hitting this area?
Yeah, if you're just gonna be doing a certain area, just keep that surface super lubricated.
And then I'll move over here.
Yeah, if you do need more, apply more, but try to prevent it from dripping.
Okay.
But if you do need more, just apply more.
Okay, got it. So I'm gonna keep spraying. Spray the clay bar now. Now I'm gonna go side-to-side motions from up here. Now that I got a little bit more experience, I can go a little faster. Side to side.
You're making me proud, Brian.
Ooh, that slipped for me. I feel like it's getting smoother now. this side's gonna need a little bit more
Now,
lube.
Brian, remember, after you're done doing a couple sections, remold your clay bar so you can have a new surface on it.
Right.
Just put like in a ball, like in a ball. Okay, so turn it. Yeah. Now just stretch it back out.
Ooh. That's ooh.
Whoa.
Ah, damn it.
Wait. Okay. So you do not want to put this back onto the paint.
Okay. Why not?
If you drop your gum, would you put it back in your mouth and chew it?
No.
Why?
Well, it's dirty now.
Dirty. What else? It might have rocks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why you don't want to put this back onto your paint.
Okay.
So before we get into getting you another piece of a clay bar, you always want to come back and just buff off the residue off your lubricant as well. But in the meantime that I buff this off, just open this up, get yourself another small piece. If you do have like heavy amount of rocks, contamination that gets onto this clay bar, and you go back onto your clear coat, you're gonna scratch it. So if you do drop your clay bar, toss it away, and like this, keep the scratches away. Okay. So just buff everything off. It's clean and easy now?
Yeah, it's getting easier.
All right, Brian, let's see how you did.
Take a look.
Okay. Smooth, 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 smooth. Hey, you did a great job.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anyways, guys, don't forget, Brian, you as well, you could also clay bar your headlights, your wheels, your glass, your tail lights, your glossy B pillars, and like that you remove contaminations away from that surface.
Right.
I'm Henry, and thank you for sharing Patrick Shine with Chemical Guys.
And I'm Brian, and I learned how to take contaminations off my car.